Hey Smart Fam, at the Smart Woodshop we are having a sale, the 4th of July sale, going on right now from today until midnight Sunday. All the Smart Fam knows that we don't have sales. We have had one sale previous in the past 15 years. Our goal has always been to design these tools to work for me and detail them out and continue to evolve them and detail the plans no matter how many hours it takes to get them right and build from them before I put them out there. And then once I put them out there, I want them at the lowest possible price so that everybody around the globe can afford them. That means there's not much of a margin. So for us to put them on sale is a stretch, but again, is our thank you to the Smart Woodshop fam. This is a 20% discount on all of the plans at the Smart Woodshop and all of the packages. Any of our plans at the Smart Woodshop are on sale for 20% off. To get it though, if you go over to the website, you will see no mention of it. This is for you, the Smart Fam. It's only for you that are seeing this video. The code for Smart Fam, that's all small letters. So the number 4, Smart Fam, and I will put it in the description of this video. And again, you won't find that anywhere else. If you go to the website, there's going to be no mention of it. Again, this is for the subscribers and for the Smart Fam. And our thanks to you, because in our 15 years at this YouTube channel, it has been completely, almost 100% supported by the sale of plans. So it's you that have done that. So by making the discount on all of the plans and package of plans, many of you have one plan or 3 or one of the packages, but you don't have them all. So we wanted to make sure that all of the plans were available so that you could pick the one that you don't already have. Now we do have some new plans in the past few months. We've got the dual router table, a go-to for me. I wouldn't go without it. And then the new single router table, the router table 2. I have that over there, but I probably will rarely ever use it. Even if I only need one router, I like the extra real estate on this. Makes the bench bigger. It's super light. I love that thing. And then we made the fences separate. They're a separate plan, redesigned them for the new router tables. If you're new to the Smart Fam and you're not familiar with all of the Smart tools, this is the king, the Smart Station. This is all of my woodworking tools on a no compromise shop that I can roll around anywhere in the space I'm working, breaks down in minutes, loads into that Smart Woodshop, and I can take them to the job. And once you get there, you can set it up and just push it around on its cart, get it exactly where you need it, and have a miter stand, a table saw. Any benchtop tool will work inside of these cradles, the router tables. In the case of here, this is the Paulk Smart Bench. Even though this is kind of the king, this is sort of the heart, the hub. With the panel rig on the other side here, that turns it into a no compromise door bench, as well as for edge banding. The tool storage underneath to keep your bench top clear on both of them. There's the crosscut jig, just a single piece of plywood with 2 stops on it that drops anywhere on the Smart Bench. And because of the MFT hole system, it never needs to be calibrated. It's always a perfect square. And with this length of cut, this is my go-to if I have to build a kitchen. And I don't mean just a little kitchen. I mean the biggest, most elaborate kitchen. This setup allows me to break all that plywood down without breaking a sweat. And the Smart Woodshop itself, that's right, there's a set of plans that show you how to build every single thing inside this trailer, and it's scalable. Thousands of you have used this set of plans to build out vans, bigger trailers, smaller trailers, box trucks, as well as little fixed base shops and garages to very big shops. In fact, there's a commercial shop in Hawaii that sent me some photos, a big mass producer on the Big Island. I don't know how big their shop is. I'm saying probably 10,000 feet. And it is completely built out with this scaled up to fit their needs. Any of those plans that I mentioned, as well as packages we have put together over the years to reflect what so many of you are buying one at a time, and we'd look at them and say, okay, a lot of people are buying this, this, and this, so we put a package together. And then there's my package that is my preferred go-to set of plans and how I work and how you see me work in every one of these videos. Sunday night, it's over. If you happen to drop in this video a week or two later, I apologize, but that's the way it is. This is for the loyal fam that have subscribed, have the bell rung, and they drop and watch the videos, because that, along with the purchase of the plans, really is what supports the channel and helps us grow the Smart Fam. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop. See you on the next one.